healthy, bikes 30, 40 kilometers. He's been doing yung face-to-face mental health campaign niya. Naka 65 schools na siya. Yeah, he's done his, he gives a free performance, but he tells the kids, because of the suicide rates today, so he tells the kids na you don't have to give a permanent solution to a temporary problem. Yun yung sinasabi niya. Permanent kasi yung magpapapunta. Parang, ang ginagawa niya, he tells them na, ako nga, 47 years na ako ng diabetes. Tapos, when I was 14, my parents separated. We lost our house sa Green Hills. Social sila, tapos nawala. Tapos, they had to be split up. Tapos, his house burned. Sabi niya, but through it all, I've been victorious because of faith. Tsaka discipline, yung mga pinag-usapan niya, ganyan. So, he did two na, NU Laguna 2 weeks ago, at saka Mapua. Very successful. Tapos nung Monday, it was Quezon City Science High School. So he's standing up for 5.5 hours, almost 6 hours. He tells the stories, he sings songs like Saranggola, or Take Me Out of the Dark, or Shout for Joy. And then he did Hataw Na, that because everybody was saying, more, more, more. Baka nanood sila ng Sex Bomb. But anyway, tapos, nagulat ako, gusto niyang mag-bike. Sabi ko, ha? So, nag-bike siya. But he biked 31 kilometers without warm-up. So, when I say tigas ulo, I always tell him, warm up first before you bike or, do any exercise. So, parang exertion. That's the word. Over-exertion. And he must have been bitten by a mosquito or something. Nagkaroon ng infection, tuloy. So, na-develop yung cellulitis. Pag ginugol mo yon or chinat-GPT mo, grabe! You can go into sepsis within 12 hours.
Life-threatening siya.
Yeah, it's a life-threatening. It could be life-threatening. But because Gary's very conscious of himself, and he just had APE, yung annual physical, everything was normal, believe it or not. Konting taas lang ng cholesterol, but everything was normal. So in other words, his organs were all healthy, despite 47 years of life. So, confident siya. But you still have to do this basic, magwa-warm up ka, ganyan. So yun, nagka-Achilles, his Achilles heel, masakit. So, but after 1 week, he got discharged today.
Pero bedridden pa rin siya.
Bedridden.
And then how
So, he can walk. But masakit. So,
how long po before
we
he
don't
gets
know. 2 to 3 weeks, we don't know. So, if he goes to ASAP, he just might, kasi Coco Martin wants him to sing for the last of Batang Quiapo, di ba? So, he might sit on a stool.